Hello everyone, Rija ma'am here. Hope all of you are fine. We have already learned two chapters. First one is alphabets including vowels and consonant, and the second one is words. Today we will start with a new one. The chapter is alphabetical order. Chapter number 3, page 5. We will read, in the dictionary, words are arranged in alphabetical order. So first, we will know about dictionary. What is dictionary? Dictionary is a book where you can find new words and their meanings. Here you can see one of the picture of a dictionary of your standard. When you will grow up, you will see many more dictionaries with new words and their meanings. So basically, in the dictionary, we can find many new words and their meanings which are arranged in alphabetical order. So, what is the meaning of alphabetical order? We all know A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So, starting from A up to Z, we all know. Alphabetical order means first thing or first letter that comes is A. After that, B. After that, C. This order is maintained. A, B, C, D, E up to Z. This order is only maintained. We cannot say B, A, C, F, G, M, O, P. This is not the correct order. Always the correct order is A, B, C, D, E and so on up to Z. This is the correct order. So this order is known as alphabetical order. If I say that D, C, E, F, A, B, this is not the correct order. The correct order is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and so on. So, in the dictionary, the first letter that we can see is A. That is, if a word starts with A, it will come first in the dictionary. After that, if a word comes with B or starts with B, will come after A. Then, if a word starts with the letter C, it will come after B. So, this order is maintained. So, let's understand with some example. Let's consider this 4 easy words. First one is apple, A-P-P-L-E, then B-A-T, bat, then C-A-T, cat, then D-O-G, dog. So here you can see the first letter is A. A for apple. So we all know that A comes first. A comes before B. So in the dictionary, if I say you, which word from these 4 words will first come in the dictionary? What will be the answer? Apple. Why? Because A is the first letter in our series. So apple will be the first word that will come as a word in our dictionary. Next is B-A-T, bat. It will be the second word. Why? Because B letter comes before C and after A. We say A, B, C. So, B is before C. What letter comes before C? B comes before C. And what letter comes after A? B comes after A. So, B will be the second word in the dictionary. Next word is cat. C-A-T. cat. So this will be the third word. Third word that will come in the dictionary. C-A-T, cat. Because after B, C comes. So cat will be the third word that will come in the dictionary. After that, D-O-G, dog. Dog will come after cat. Because C letter is before D letter. Means cat will come before dog. So here dog will be the last word. From these four words, dog will be the last word in the dictionary. Again, we will revise. In the alphabetical order, the letters are arranged in A, B, C, D, E. Like this, I have given four words. First one is apple, then bat, then cat, then dog. So, we all know A comes first. A is the first letter. So, which word will be first? A. A for apple. So, apple will be the first word in our dictionary. After that, which letter comes? After A, B comes. So, here B will be the second word in our dictionary. And after that, C comes. So, C for cat will be the third word in our dictionary. After that, D-O-G, dog, D comes. So, D will be the fourth word in our dictionary. So, today, this is the end of our class. In the next class, we will continue with some examples and many more things. So, till then, if you have any doubt, if you have any query, please let me know. Do write in the comment section. Thank you.